Galaxy S21 Ultra is equipped with our most advanced pro-grade camera system in a smartphone yet. Its new quad camera captures your fast-paced world in vivid lifelike detail, thanks to its new 108-megapixel that delivers 64 times richer color and wider dynamic range. First, enter photo mode and press ratio in the quick setting panel to select a higher resolution option. You can select up to 108 megapixel for Galaxy S21 Ultra and 64 megapixel for Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus. After taking a 108 megapixel photo, you can zoom in the picture and press the crop button on the upper left to capture a new photo. The new captured picture will still maintain excellent resolution. Our improved hyper-detailed 100 times space zoom lets you capture the clearest shots from the farthest distance thanks to our new dual zoom lens. Plus, with Zoom Lock, you'll get clear shots even in the shakiest or unsteady conditions. If you zoom in more than 30 times and do not move for 2 seconds, or touch the Zoom Lock icon, the Zoom Map, which allows you to take pictures without shaking, will be activated in yellow. With Galaxy S21 Ultra, we took our night mode a step further with a fast bright night sensor and enhanced noise reduction. So, you can take the clear studio quality shots in the lowest light environments. Select Auto Max option to switch to Max. You can set the shooting time longer. Take a night mode photo with a Galaxy S20 Ultra. Compare photo taken by the Galaxy S20 and the Galaxy S21. Galaxy S21 also features the first ever 4K filming across all lenses. Record in the default Auto Full HD with Galaxy S21 Ultra. Then, record with S20 Ultra, which supports fixed Full HD 30 frame. And with improved Super Steady, every video is guaranteed to be the smoothest, even in the choppiest conditions. With enhanced single take, you get 5 times more AI processing to help you capture incredible detail in every shot. You can adjust the shooting time up to 15 seconds for more diverse scenes. You can see various results, including the newly added dynamic video, which maximizes dynamic motion by slowly playing the part based on AI. SmartThings Find is a new service that helps you quickly and easily locate Galaxy devices using Bluetooth Low Energy and ultra-wideband technology. Whether you left your device in another room or even in a completely different city, easily locate your Galaxy device, including smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and earbuds, even when they're offline. At SmartThings app, locate and click the SmartThings Find card on the SmartThings dashboard. Select the device you want to display on the map. Then, the screen will show the location of this device on the map. If the device you are looking for is near you, click Search Nearby. Switch to the Search Nearby screen and look for a BLE signal. When the BLE signal is connected, it switches to BLE Find mode. It can help you locate the device due to changes in graphics, depending on the signal strength. If the device is hidden and not visible, user can ring the device by clicking the Ring button in AR Find mode or BLE Find mode. Samsung's new Smart Tag helps you locate your non-connected belongings, from your keys to your wallet, or even your family pet using their collar, not just Galaxy devices. If you turn on the power of Galaxy Smart Tag, you can add your tag at the pop-up window for connecting devices. User can now see the added tag on the dashboard of the SmartThings. At SmartThings Find, you can see the location of the tagged car key. Now, let's find where the car key is. Select Search Nearby. If the BLE signal is connected, it shifts to BLE Find mode. Depending on the strength of signals, the graphic changes. The bigger the green circle is, the closer the distance between you and the tag. If the item is hidden, you can select the ring icon and make the tag provide sound. This ring icon is found in the AR Find or BLE Find mode.